Pakistan's relations with Africa are seeing a positive trend in terms of bilateral trade and political, parliamentary, military, and security cooperation. Pakistan opened new missions in Ivory Coast, Djibouti, Uganda, and Ghana, while Ethiopia opened its resident embassy in Islamabad. Our bilateral trade and business relations with Africa over the last 6 months have also registered record increases. Similarly, the remittances from Africa have reached a high of over $400 million. PIA and Ethiopian Airlines agreed for code sharing, which would directly connect Karachi with Addis Ababa. Our region remains an important focus of our foreign policy. Pakistan has consistently expressed its desire to see a peaceful, prosperous, stable, and connected Afghanistan. We wish that Afghanistan emerges as a trade and energy connectivity conduit to our region. Since 15th August 2021, Pakistan has pursued continuous and practical engagement with the interim Afghan government. The first high-level visit to Kabul this year was that of National Security Advisor in January. Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, met acting Foreign Minister of Afghanistan, Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi, on the sidelines of the SCO CFM held in Tashkent, Uzbekistan on 29th July 2021. On 29th November 2022, Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Ms. Hina Rabbani Khar, undertook a day-long visit to Kabul, where she held meetings with Foreign Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, and Minister of Commerce and Industry of Afghanistan. As a firm adherent of regional approach to the situation in Afghanistan, Pakistan participated in meetings and mechanisms aimed at promoting peace in Afghanistan, including meetings of the neighboring countries of Afghanistan, as well as Troika Plus in March in China. Pakistan also participated in the Moscow format talks held in Moscow on 16th November. We have had some incidents on the border with Afghanistan. Our head of mission in Kabul was attacked on 2nd December 2022. We have increased the security of our diplomats and missions in Afghanistan. Mr. Ubaid Rahman Zamani is in Pakistan for consultations. We are engaged with Afghan authorities on issues relating to security and border management. Afghanistan has given certain assurances, and we hope the promises made will be honored. We are also disappointed at the recent decisions taken by the Afghan interim government about women education and participation in public life in Afghanistan. We have strongly urged Afghanistan to revisit its decisions. We have emphasized the importance of equal access to education for all segments of society. During the high-level engagements with the countries in Central Asia, Pakistan developed close understandings with these countries to enhance regional connectivity and cooperation in energy, transport, and infrastructure. As Pakistan faced unprecedented flooding this monsoons, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and our missions abroad have worked together with our international partners to support national efforts for post-rehabilitation and reconstruction. We are grateful to all countries and international organizations that have come forward with humanitarian assistance, including Belgium, China, Denmark, the European Union, France, Germany, Greece, Indonesia, Italy, Iran, Jordan, Malaysia, Nepal, Oman, Palestine.